It's Saturday night, and you know what that means. We've got the top 10 recipes of the week. Who made it to the top 10 and who ranked out as number 1? Well, the only way you're going to find that out is if you tune into this week's episode. We're starting out our list with a banger, and this recipe proves that it doesn't have to be Taco Tuesday to enjoy delicious homemade tacos. These cheesy chipotle chicken tacos from Jen's Eats are crispy, cheesy, and flavorful. Plus, the homemade taco shells are the true chef's kiss. Stuff it how you like it, because these are a mouthful. At number 9 is a personal favorite of mine. We've got Korean fried chicken from Rion's Food. This recipe is rooted in culture and engraved in deep flavor. Traditionally made and fried to perfection, this one's a must-try. At number 8 is an inside the kitchen first-timer. Chef Camm graces us with his presence, blessing the list with his garlic butter steak bites with fettuccine Alfredo. This ain't the canned crap you see in the shells either. This is freshly made Alfredo sauce, and this recipe is perfect for date night or just because. Save it and put it in your arsenal. Number 7 is a slice of heaven we need as the legend herself, Cravin with Raven, hits us with a classic cube steak recipe. Raven is one of those home cooks that taps into nostalgia with her recipes, because this one reminds me of Sunday dinners at Grandma's place. Talk about comfort food, this one's got us feeling all warm inside. Pulling up at number 6 is another newcomer to Inside the Kitchen. IamKeia shares her decadent strawberry cheesecake. We love a good cheesecake here, especially one that's baked perfectly with no cracks, just smooth sailing. I could go for a slice of this easily, and I hope you can too. We're now ready to bring you to the top 5, and this star-studded baker needs no introduction. Well Made by Kiley's old-fashioned buttermilk donut bars are the perfect classic sweet treat to indulge in. The brown butter maple glaze to top off is the ideal complement to this golden crisp sweet treat. Without a doubt, recipes like these are why she's the most electrifying baker in all of social media. At number 4 is another newcomer to Inside the Kitchen, but definitely an icon. Chef Keysh takes us home with this Jamaican red pea soup. And might I say, this is as authentic as it gets. From the styrofoam cup to the pot used, this is the real deal right here. I haven't had a good red pea soup since I moved from Brooklyn, but this is something I can make at home and something you should be proud of. Well done, chef. We've made it to the top 3 of the week, and we've got another newcomer to the list. AlexRiosCooks serves up a delicious Cuban pollo a la plancha. As he states in this video, chicken breast can never be boring if you follow his simple and helpful tips to maximize flavor. Serving up techniques like butterflying and flattening your chicken, plus letting the carryover heat cook your chicken, help to know the importance of keep that chicken nice and juicy. We hope to see you on this list for years to come. At number 2 is the appetizer queen herself, and easily one of my favorite appetizers ever. Food My Muse shows us just how easy it is to make smoked oysters Rockefeller at home. I'm absolutely fixated on just how easy this is to make. Now, if you've never had oysters before, this is the best way to get introduced to this culinary masterpiece. Save this one for later, and you won't regret it. And at number 1 is a recipe that's rooted in history, culture, and community. Spilling the sweet tea's fish fry needs no words to explain why it's the best, but we're gonna do it anyway. Now, who doesn't love crispy fish fried to perfection, fries, hush puppies, and that classic Texas Pete heat? But more importantly, fish fries brought the community together. When I was younger, we had fish every Friday as a way to bring the family together through food, faith, and fellowship. You can check her page out not just for the full recipe, but a deeper understanding of why it's important to Black culture. It's only fitting that this recipe makes it to number 1 on the list, and even more fitting that it closes out the month as a reminder of how important our traditions are and why they need to be upheld. That wraps up another episode of Inside the Kitchen. If you feel like you deserve to be in the top 10, simply comment below or use the hashtag ITKTop10. As always, keep those pans hot and your flavor game strong. And until the next time we feast, peace. Catch Inside the Kitchen's Top 10 every Saturday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on your favorite social media platforms. From the best recipes in the game to news, highlights, and insights, the Inside the Kitchen universe is looking to shift the landscape of food content on social media. Much love and stay hungry, my friends.